Hi student, I am Asit Tiwari, SSC teacher, and today the lesson which is going to start, it is the political party. It is very important lesson for the board exam, for the scoring purpose, and this lesson is very interesting lesson. So we will discuss today only the introduction, means what we plan for the following days or following week, and what we are going to be study in this lesson. So student, in the first I will bring some attentions on the political parties, means what is the political parties, then we will start to introduce the lesson. Political party. Political party means the presence in democracy. Because democracy, what we study in the first lesson, power sharing, and in power sharing, what we study in the first number of the power sharing, horizontal, vertical, then third number political party, and last one is a social group. So student, I want to tell only one thing, that political party is the part of power sharing, and we will apply in the democracy, because in democracy is a system of government. What we say about the democracy, people own government, means what we are going to be discussed today. The political party means democracy, where we will study that people's own government, it is a democracy, and how the democracy become the people's own government, means we will discuss the two situations. Number one situations, the whole country where democratic system is there, and another country where the democratic system also there. But in these two countries, what is the difference? In this country, whole the people are representative. All people are the caretaker in democracy. Means all the people are just running the democratic, you will say, interest, democratic principle. And in this country, only the few people, they are known as a representatives. So what we call it, means this is the democratic system where we are applying the representative democracy. So in our country, in many of the countries in the world, what the system of democratic is running, democratic procedure running, the representative democracy. Representative democracy means one person who is represent the one community, one will say ethnic groups, one will say regional area. So there are the near about 545 representative in the whole country, and these 545 are the representative of the whole country, means India. And in this country where whole the people are running the principle of the democracy by themselves, there is no representative, no representative. It means the condition in this country become more violent. Why in this country the situation become more violent? Because the reason is that the lot of people are there, all the countries people are take the system of democracy in themselves, and there is not any person who is called as a representative. Means all the person are the part of government, but in this form of the government in this country, where the few person are the part of government, means all these people in the country are not the part of government. They select some person, they elect some person in that country, in their country, and they elect them through the voting system, and there is not the voting procedure also in this country. So student, I hope you are getting well in these two examples. So what we have understood now, that we are going to study today the power sharing. Means a political party, they are applying the power sharing. So student, hope you are getting well in this introduction. So what we are going to study, the meaning and definition. What is the meaning and what is the definition? So many definition of the democracy which has been given in the lesson, which has been given in the books, and what are the meanings, we will just take out from the different type of the other languages where the term democracy or the political party has come out. Next, the basis of political parties. Means what are the basis of political party? Means where the political party can be appear, where the political party can be occur, what situation where the political party can be occur, and which condition, which circumstances have made it very, you will say, successful to appearance of the political parties. Means what are the condition? Means when the situation has there, when the situation is there in among the societies, so these situations just you will say push to form the political parties. Suppose the two person, one person have the money and second person has not the money. So one person who has the money, he will secure the another kind of the groups. One person who has not the money, he will secure, you will say, such the another type of the person. Means they have need the kind of groups, kind of people who can maintain their, you will say, situations of their economic. They means they maintain their economic situations. How do they perform for the betterment, for their development, with the, you will say, with the presence of money, with the kind of situation, how much they are holding the money, and how the planning of the political parties. So student, hope you are getting this situation according to the sentences. Functions. What are the function of political parties? Functions means political party means without the political party, the anything cannot be appear in the country. So all the things which are made by the political parties, so this is known as a function. Whatever they just exercise the ideology, whatever they will say generate the public opinion, whatever they are doing, means all the function, all the work which is done by the political party are known as a function. Means but we will study only the few functions which are done by the political parties. Need for political parties means what we have importance of the parties, what are the necessities of the parties. Without the parties, if we are there, so what the situation can be occur in the political parties. We have understood the same situation in that country. So student, these kind of the, you will say planning which help you to understand well the lesson. How many political parties should we have? Means one party, two party, or more than two party. And which country adopt the which party system? Because many of the countries in the world, but every country has not adopted the same pattern, same system of the party. India, which has the different party system, China, which has different party system, and Britain, which has different party system. What are their advantages, what are their loss? Means what are their merits and what are their demerits? We will study all these points in the lesson. So this is very important topic. Major political parties of India. Students, there are 7 political parties. You know very well such as BJP, Congress, BSP, CPI, CPIM, NCP, and AI. You'll say All India Trinamool Congress Party. This is a party which were made in the year 2004. All the parties are much quite older. Congress Party is a much older party of India, formed by the Britishers. You know what was the planning, what was the strategy to form the Congress Party? There was a kind of a strategy to form the Congress Party, and sometimes it was called the safety valve. Some Britishers told it, some Indian told it also. So, and we will also study that which conditions are important to form a national party and which conditions are important to form a regional parties. We will also discuss it. And which are other conditions, what are the symbols, and many of the other points we will study all these points in these topics. Then regional parties, state parties means which state have how many parties, because there are 7 national parties, but how many states have their regional parties, and what is the much parties in which state has much party. So we will also discuss it, and which state has not any state party, we also discuss it. Shortcoming and weakness of the political parties, because political parties are not the omnipresent in the democracy, because it is also true that it is the most visible institution in the democracy, but they are most visible, but over their presence there are many of the drawbacks are seen in the democratic country by the political parties, because many of the tough situation has been made by the political parties, and these situations are not very good for the country, because we have seen in our country that there are 2 types of the group, means there is a polarization of the political parties which has been made, but Congress Party which has been weakening day by day, and BJP this party has been strengthening day by day. So if a political party, if a national party have not the good and strong rival, then national party can divert its own way. That is very good things, because opposition party must be there with a strong position, otherwise a national party can be can behave like a unilateral party. So this is very important things, and we will also discuss there. Ways to improve the political party system, and ways to improve the political party also, because there are so many countries in the world where there are different type of the party system, and we will see that how we will improve the party system, and what are the steps can be used to reform the party system in our country also, because many of the drawbacks has been seen in the political party inside. We have seen also some features about the political parties, that some political parties have the much money and some party have not the money. Some party are facing the struggle for the money, and some party they are overusing the money. Even when these party come in the powers, so they misuse the money which is the money of people, not the government, because the government is made by the people only. So student, this is very important lesson, and hope you will understand well all these points which I have just narrate here, and these points will help you to understand well the lesson. So सभी बच्चों को मेरी तरफ से यही कहना है कि वो इस लेसन को एक मतलब डाउन टू अर्थ लेसन के द्वारा ही समझें उसे, मीन्स इसको वो अपने में ही इन्वॉल्व करके ही समझें इसे। अगर वो चाहें ग्रुप में तो अपने आप को एक पार्टी के रूप में रिप्रेजेंट करके ही भी इस लेसन को आगे ले जा सकते हैं, और वो आपको हेल्प करेगा लेसन को समझने के लिए। थैंक यू स्टूडेंट फॉर लिसनिंग।